Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best Olemaha shirt is probably one of the most versatile and stylish pieces of clothing you can add to your wardrobe, offering a perfect blend of comfort, durability, and aesthetic appeal that makes it suitable for a wide range of occasions, from casual outings to more dressed-up events, ensuring you always look and feel your best. Number 5. Hanes Women's Sport Cool DRI Performance Long Sleeve T-Shirt. Introducing the Hanes Women's Sport Cool DRI Performance Long Sleeve T-Shirt. Designed to keep you comfortable during any activity. Its innovative cool DRI fabric wicks away moisture, ensuring you stay dry and focused. Experience superior performance with every wear. Enjoy the full coverage and comfort of the long sleeves. Perfect for workouts or casual wear, providing versatility for your active lifestyle. This performance T-shirt is built to move with you. Its lightweight and breathable design allows for maximum freedom of movement. Trust in the quality and durability that Hanes is known for. This shirt is a reliable addition to your active wardrobe. Whether you're hitting the gym or enjoying the outdoors, this long sleeve tee is your perfect companion. Elevate your active experience. What we like. This shirt is designed to keep you cool and dry during intense workouts. Its advanced fabric technology wicks away sweat effectively. If you're looking for a shirt that performs as hard as you do, this is the one. What people say. Washed them each a few times and they didn't shrink. Colors stayed vibrant. I love that they dry so easily after a workout out or difficult hike. Very light cool fabric to wear in warmer weather. Flat seams and no tag. Number 4. The Gym People Women's Sports Bra. Experience the ultimate freedom in your fitness journey. This sports bra is designed to move with you, providing comfort and support. Enjoy medium support that doesn't compromise on comfort. Its wire-free design ensures you feel great during any activity. Crafted specifically for women, this bra offers a secure and comfortable fit. Feel confident and supported through every rep. With added padding, it provides a smooth silhouette and extra comfort. You'll love the feel and the enhanced shape it offers. The longline silhouette offers a secure and stylish fit. It stays in place, allowing you to focus on your performance. This is the perfect addition to your activewear collection. Elevate your workouts with its blend of style, support, and comfort. What we like. Experience ultimate comfort and support with this sports bra. The longline design offers a flattering fit and added coverage. If you need a reliable bra for medium-impact activities and prioritize comfort, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The fabric is a nice blend of cotton and polyester, making it breathable and comfortable. The fit is true to size and the stitching is very well done. It has a classic button-down collar that looks sharp and stays in place. Number 3. Hanes Women's Originals Long Sleeve Cotton T-Shirt. Discover the Hanes Women's Originals Long Sleeve Cotton T-Shirt. It's designed for a modern fit, offering a sleek silhouette that complements your style. Crafted from soft, breathable cotton, this tee feels incredibly light against your skin. Perfect for layering or wearing on its own, it ensures all-day comfort. The classic crewneck design makes this long-sleeve t-shirt a versatile addition to any wardrobe. Dress it up or down for endless outfit possibilities. Experience the modern fit that flatters your shape without being too tight. It's the perfect blend of contemporary style and timeless appeal. Whether you're running errands or relaxing at home, this lightweight tee is your ultimate everyday essential. Enjoy the soft feel and easy wear. What we like. Enjoy the everyday comfort of soft, breathable cotton. This tee features a contemporary fit that looks great on everyone. If you appreciate a classic look with a modern twist for casual wear, you'll love this. What people say. The fabric is soft and breathable, perfect for warm weather. The fit is true to size and very flattering. The color is vibrant and has held up well after multiple washes. Number 2. Baleaf Women's UPF 50+ Sun Shirts. Stay protected from harmful UV rays with our UPF 50+ sun shirts. Designed for maximum sun defense, they offer superior protection for all your outdoor adventures. Experience ultimate comfort with our lightweight and quick-drying fabric. It keeps you cool and dry, even during intense activities. Whether you're hiking, running, or just enjoying the outdoors, these shirts are perfect for any activity. They provide the comfort and protection you need. Enjoy the protective benefits of a rash guard with the comfort of a hiking top. Its design offers full coverage and prevents irritation. With built-in SPF protection, you can confidently spend more time outdoors. It's the smart choice for sun-safe adventures. Trust Baleaf for quality activewear that performs. These sun shirts are crafted for durability and comfort, ensuring you get the best. What we like. Protect your skin from harmful UV rays with this sun shirt. Its lightweight and quick-drying material makes it perfect for outdoor adventures. If you spend a lot of time in the sun and need reliable sun protection without overheating, this is ideal. What people say. The size extra small is true to size. It was a perfect fit. The material is nice and soft. I like the sun protection feature so I don't have to worry stepping outside. The fabric is very lightweight, breathable, and dries quickly, which keeps me comfortable even when I start to sweat. The UPF 50+ protection gives me peace of mind in the sun, and I like that it works well both on its own and as a base layer. The raglan sleeves allow easy movement, and the flat lock seams prevent rubbing or chafing. The material feels soft on the skin, and I really appreciate that the collar is tag-free. It was very breathable and I was protected from the sun. Excellent quick dry. Number 1. Factory Effex Yamaha 2D Tuning Fork T-shirt. Introducing the Factory Effex Yamaha 2D Tuning Fork T-shirt. Show your Yamaha pride with this comfortable and stylish tee. Featuring a distinctive 2D tuning fork graphic, this shirt stands out. It's a great way to express your passion for Yamaha. Crafted for comfort, this t-shirt is perfect for daily wear. You'll love how it feels whether you're out and about or relaxing at home. Made with quality materials, it's built to last. This tee will remain a favorite in your wardrobe for a long time. Looking for a gift for a Yamaha enthusiast? This t-shirt is an excellent choice. It combines style, comfort, and brand loyalty. Trust in the quality that Factory Effex provides. This shirt is a testament to their commitment to great apparel. What we like. Show off your passion with this eye-catching graphic tee. It offers a comfortable fit for all-day wear. If you're a fan looking for a stylish way to represent your favorite brand, this is a must-have. What people say. The color is brilliant and well-made. It's soft and comfy as well. It is softer than regular t-shirt material and fits great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.